What are we saying? First, create cleanliness, make it a litter-free bus stand. We have just seen now, none of the stalls in this bus stand have got official dustbin. Somebody is keeping a cardboard box, somebody is keeping a bucket. Whose bucket? Nobody knows. So there has to be an official program of the KTC. Under Swachh Bharat, there has to be dustbins, bins for the plastic, because one major problem here is plastic. Second point is the sitting facility. Neither the driver can sit, and you can see how their broken seats have been supported by Coca-Cola crates and some soda crates, etc. Neither are they in a good position, neither the consumer is in a good position, because every time a bench is broken, it is thrown in front of the bus stand. And no replacement. Secondly, there is no disabled, exclusive disabled parking here. For a person who is disabled, he wants to go to the Bangalore bus or any bus, there is no exclusive disabled parking. Come at 7, 8 o'clock, water is being sold. Water of the toilet is being sold. You can see the bottles and how they are selling the water. So we are saying KTC as they have declared in today's papers, they are going to review the tender of MAPSA and Benjam toilet. They are saying review this. If Sulabh cannot, they have signed an agreement for 20-30 years. Review the agreement. The government of Goa Tourism Department declare how many tourists are coming to South Goa. Is this what we want to show them? The first image they get is at this bus stand. So security is very important. Now we are saying that in the last mile connectivity, government is going for electric buses, solar energy and biofuels. Now if this is the case, before the new bus stand comes, we are saying that they should disclose the models here. Have a solar energy lighting here. Show what this biofuels is all about. People have to get confidence. If people don't have confidence, they will not use. And secondly, all the taxi drivers, all the motorcycle pilots, all the rickshaw drivers, they must know what is going to happen to their business. They'll be wiped out. With a new arrangement coming, somebody from Delhi will come here with 50 vehicles. He will say, I'm running the business. All our local goans will be out. Why? Because they do not have the knowledge, they do not have the technology. So as you know, Government of India has taken a decision. 7th and 8th Prime Minister Modi declared last mile connectivity. There is a mobility plan. Government of Goa has appointed a high task force post. And as Goacan, we are a member of that task force. We are alerting everybody, all stakeholders.
बस स्टँडार खंय मदींच रस्त्यार बसी थारायतात आणि पॅसेंजरांक देंवयतात. पार्किंगाची सारकी वेवस्था ना.
Anyone enters anyway and there can be accidents and then we may wake up. Then again there is a road in the middle of the bus stand which is connecting to the stadium. It is a road on which road the Kadamba buses are stopping, the passengers are getting down. Now if there is an accident, again there will be a problem on this road. So there should be some base where the passengers should be allowed to get down and go safely.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.